Good morning, students. Welcome back to another math lesson. Today we will learn about mentally subtracting two-digit number. To begin with today's lesson, we are going to review what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we were subtracting two one-digit number mentally. So we have this number 67 minus 5. Yesterday we learned that we follow steps, right? The first step was to break up the smaller number into numbers. And the first number, we should break it up, should be the same as the digit in the ones place from the larger number. In this case, the larger number is 67. So which digit is in the ones place in the number 67? We can see that the 7 is the digit in the ones place. So we can't break the 5 with the number 7 because 7 is bigger than 5. In this case, what we are going to do is just minus 5 from 67. And we can do this by counting 5 backwards from 67. So if we have 67, let's count 5 backwards. 66, 65, 64, 63, 62. So 67 minus 5 is equal to 62. Now we are going to learn how to subtract two-digit numbers mentally. But we need to follow the steps. Step 1. Break up the smaller number into numbers. So in the numbers 73 and 22, which number is the smaller? Yes, it is 22. So that means we need to break the number 22 into numbers. If we look at the number 22, we can see that 22 is made of 2 tens and 2 ones. So this means that 2 tens is equal to 20. So 20 will be the first number that I will break in the 22. And I will stay with 2 ones. So the other number that I am going to break the 22 will be 2. So these are the two numbers that I will be breaking the number 22. They are 20 and 2. Now let's go with step 2. Subtract the bigger number with the first number in which you break up the smaller number. That will be 73 minus 20 because 73 is the larger number. And 20 is the first number that we break up the smaller number, which was 22. So 73 minus 20. So to solve this, I look at the digits in the tens place in each number. So in the number 73, the digit that is in the tens place is 7. And in the number 20, the 2 is in the tens place. So I will do this 7 minus 2 because we are just concentrating on the digit in the tens place. So what is 7 minus 2? We can do this by counting backwards. So if we have 7, we are going to move 2 backwards. So it will be 6, 5. So I will write 5. But let us not forget about the ones place. So in the number 73, the 3 is in the ones place. And in the number 20, the 0 is in the ones place. So I will do this. 3 minus 0. So if you have 3 and you take 0, what will your answer be? Yes, it is 3. So I will write the 3 after the 5. So 73 minus 20 is equal to 53. That is not our answer. We still have to do one more step. So step 3. Subtract the answer you got from step 2 with the other number in which you break up the smaller number. So what was the answer we got in step 2? Yes, it was 53. And what is the other number that we break up the smaller number, which was 22? Yes, it is 2. So the third step, I will do this. 53 minus 2. And we can do this by counting backwards. So if we have 53, let's count 2 backwards. So it will be 52, 51. So 53 minus 2 is equal to 51. And that is your answer. Now let's take a look to another example. If we have the number 82 minus 69, we follow the same steps. Step 1. Break up the smaller number in 2 numbers. So in the numbers 82 and 69, which number is the smaller number? Yes, it is 69. So we need to break the number 69 in 2 numbers. So if you see, 69 is made of 6 tens and 9 ones. So 6 tens is equal to 60. So that means that my first number that I will be breaking the 69 will be 60. And I will stay with 9 ones. So the other number that I will be breaking the 69 will be 9. So these will be the numbers that I will be breaking 69. They are 60 and 9. Now let's go with step 2. Subtract the bigger number with the first number in which you break up the smaller number. So in the numbers 82 and 69, the bigger number is 82. So I will write 82 minus, what was the first number that I break up the 69? Yes, it was 60. So it will be 82 minus 60. So now I need to look at the digits in the tens place. So in the number 82, which digit is in the tens place? Yes, it is 8. And in the number 60, which digit is in the tens place? You are right, it is 6. So that means I will do 8 minus 6. So what is 8 minus 6? We can do this by counting backwards. So if we have 8, so let's count 6 backwards. So that will be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So let's write 2. But let us not forget about the digits in the ones place. So in the number 82, which digit is in the ones place? Yes, it is 2. And in the number 60, which digit is in the ones place? You are right, it is 0. So we will do 2 minus 0. So what is 2 minus 0? If you have 2 and you take 0, how much will that be? Yes, it is going to be 2. So we write 2 beside the other 2. So 82 minus 60 is equal to 22. But we are not finished yet. We still have to do one more step. Step 3. Subtract the answer you got from step 2 with the other number in which you break up the smaller number. So what is the answer we got in step 2? Yes, it is 22. And what is the other number we break up the 69? You are right, it is 9. So our last step will be 22 minus 9. And we can do this by counting backwards. So if we have 22, let's count 9 backwards. So it will be 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. So 22 minus 9 is equal to 13. And that will be your answer. Now, let's do the activity for today. So, you are going to mentally subtract the following numbers. Remember to follow the steps. When you finish, we are going to do the concluding activity. Read the following word problems and mentally subtract the numbers to get your answers. Remember to write your answers in one sentence. Before doing the word problems, let's review on the terms you need to know when subtracting word problems. They are take away, minus, less, reduce, remain, take from, fewer, take, difference, how many more. Now, let me read the word problems for you. Number 1. John saw 96 birds in the tree. He saw 21 of them fly away. How many birds are left in the tree? Number 2. Jade has 84 dolls. She sold 32 of them. How many dolls are left? Remember to identify the terms to know if you're going to subtract. Identify the numbers in the word problems and mentally subtract the numbers following the steps that we learn. And lastly, write your answer in one sentence. Thanks for watching.